Welcome on Easy Learning. Now we are going to cover question number 4 of BPCE 014 of psychopathology. I have covered this answer in my own word, so you should attempt yourself to do the same, to write in your own language. You can take help from such videos uploaded on the internet, which can help you to polish your language more and more. Okay, so let's start now the question. The question is, explain the importance of neuropsychological, it is misspelled here, neuropsychological assessment. Answer: neuropsychological assessment is mainly practiced by a medical doctor called a neurologist who has a specialization in the nervous system. It is done to determine whether psychological problems reflect underlying any neurological impairment or brain damage. This technique is also used to know the behavioral observation and psychological testing. To know the possible brain damage, MRI and CT are used to test the area of brain damage. These techniques work with brain imaging techniques to know through shedding light, SHEDDING, shedding light on relationships between brain function and underlying abnormalities. It does not only suggest brain damage but also point to the parts of the brain that may be affected. Now this is the Binder Visual Motor Gestalt test. It is the type of test, okay? It is one of the first neurological tests known as the Bender Visual Motor Gestalt test. In second edition known as the Bender Gestalt second. It has geometric figures to show various Gestalt principles of perception. The client is encountered, okay, ENCOUNTERED, with these geometric figures. These figures are rotated and made different actions like distortions in shape and incorrect sizing of the figures in relation to another. The examiner then asks to know the functioning of memory. The right function of memory can answer in a proper way, but impaired memory can do the same, though it is more convenient and economical means, MEANS, okay, means for such practices. More sophisticated, it is batteries, okay, BATTERIS, batteries have been developed for this purpose, including broadly used Halsted, HALSTEAD, REITM, REITM, neuropsychological battery, and URIA, LURIA, Nebraska, NEBRASKA battery. The next it is given the Halsted-Reitan neuropsychological theory. What is this type of theory? About that it is given in this paragraph. W.R.D. Halsted, he was it is given an experimental psychologist, developed this battery after adapting tests. It was developed to study brain behavior relationship among organically impaired individuals It consists of the measure that are perceptual, intellectual, and motor skill and performance. This type of battery helps psychologists to observe patterns of results and many patterns of performance. Deficits. These performance deficits, which suggest the lack of certain kinds while occurring following head trauma. PGI memory scale. It is given Parshad, PERSHAD, for Indian population has standardized this scale. Okay, it has completely 10 subsets, including remote memory, recant memory. Okay, it is not recant, it is recent memory, RECENT, mental balance, attention and concentration, immediate recall, verbal retention for similar pairs, verbal retention for different pairs, verbal retention and recognition. It has the objective of scoring and norms on age and sex. It is used for literate and illiterate adults and older persons. Memory questionnaires. To work on the working memory, simple assessment questionnaire can be used. The inclusion of historical facts, important life events, some specific memory experience in our everyday memory tasks, and immediate, recent, and remote memory. With this answer is over. Now we'll cover another question, another video. If you like this video, you can like or subscribe the channel, and you can also share these videos to those students who have the problem to prepare the assignment of IGNOU. Okay, so now let's start doing another video in another way. Okay.